Do you snore? Are you tired during the day? Have you been tested for sleep apnea?
Research tells us that sleep apnea can be deadly, nearly doubling the risk of chronic disease and death for middle-aged and older men. There's a new effective treatment available from Dr. Marcus Whitmore at Whitmore Dental. This new treatment allows you to stop snoring and start sleeping again.
If you or someone you love snores loudly and then suddenly stops, you need to call Dr. Whitmore today. Sleep apnea affects 1 of every 4 men. Are you at risk? Call Dr. Whitmore today to learn more.